Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to use tables in Coda step by step in 2026. Many users struggle to organize data efficiently, and mastering tables makes collaboration and project management much easier. First, create a new table. Open your Coda doc, click Insert, and select Table. You can start from scratch or use a template. Next, add columns. Each column can have different types like text, number, date, checkbox, or select list. Choose types based on the data you want to track. Now add rows. Each row represents a single entry or item. Click plus new row to add as many entries as needed. After that, customize column properties. You can rename columns, set default values, or apply formulas. Formulas help automate calculations and updates. Next, filter and sort your table. Use filters to display only relevant rows and sort to arrange data logically. This keeps your table clean and focused. Then link tables for advanced setups. Coda allows relational tables, letting one table reference another. This is great for tracking projects, tasks, or inventory. Now use table views. You can create multiple views of the same table like calendar, Kanban, or gallery. Views help different team members see data in the best format for them. Finally, share and collaborate. Invite team members, set permissions, and edit together in real time. Coda tables make teamwork smooth and efficient. So yeah, using tables in Coda involves creating tables, adding columns and rows, customizing properties, applying formulas, filtering and sorting, linking tables, using views, and collaborating. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next